Hello and welcome to Solution News Inside Campus. I'm your host Yangchen Ramdaso from the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism. In the special edition of Inside Campus, I bring you the latest news update on National Research Scholars Conference held at Salesian College Sonada Autonomous. News in detail by Rex Nayat.
Salesian College Autonomous Sonada and Siliguri organized a two-day National Research Scholars Conference on November 29 and 30, 2024 in collaboration with IQAC at the Sonada campus of the college. Hosted by the Salesian Research Center, the event, titled Revisiting Partition, Historical Retrospection, Socio-Religious Impact, Geopolitical, Economic Corollaries, and Media Representations provide a platform for teachers, research scholars and students to share their work on different topics related to partition. The inaugural session of the conference started with a prayer and a welcome address by Father Johnny Nedangat, Rector of Salesian College Sonada at the Kalingal AV Hall. Father Dr. Tommy Augustine, Director of the Salesian Research Center and Rector of Salesian College Siliguri, spoke about the need to revisit partition stories and their ongoing impact. The keynote address was delivered by Dr. Dhalia Bhattacharya, Associate Professor of Modern History at North Bengal University. The session for the 2 days took place simultaneously at the Kalingal AV Hall and the Research and the Publication Center. Speakers during the different technical sessions presented papers on various themes related to partitions. Apart from sessions for teachers and research scholars, separate sessions were organized for undergraduate students who offered fresh ideas on the topic of partition, which was moderated by Father Dr. C.J. Matthew, Vice Rector of Salesian College Sonada. The session on the second day included discussion on how partition influenced industries and migration. Topics such as the effects on the jute industry, urbanization, and informal economies were discussed by scholars. The conference ended with a valedictory address delivered by Father Dr. K.J. Joseph, Assistant Professor, Department of History at St. Joseph's College, Darjeeling. Certificates were given to participants and Sister Pascalina Lepcha offered the vote of thanks. The event created a space for learning and sharing, helping participants understand the deep and lasting effects of partitions on people and communities.
That's all for today. See you in another episode of Inside Campus with camera person Anjana Rai, and I'm your host Yangchen Ramdaso for Inside Campus. Thank you.